What's your hip?
Yeah. Put it, yeah. Calm down. Just gonna go over here.
Good. And then just stick up your big finger or your middle finger just up
Right
off.
in
There
this
we
little
go.
hole here.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. There we go.
There it is. All right, and you got a tourniquet. We don't really need that. And then I'm gonna grab.
I don't know how ready I am for you to cover
So
that.
let me just test you. You'll feel pressure, okay? You're gonna
Yep.
feel some stuff, but you shouldn't feel like sharp pain.
What you're gonna do is we're gonna go.
I'm gonna say I don't know how comfortable I am with how much I'm feeling.
Right there.
And it's real small enough to open it up. In line with it.
Do you feel it?
That hurts. That hurts. Listen, you're hurting me. I
Okay.
can feel that. I can feel that
Okay.
for sure.
We can
Yep,
do
we just need a
some
little
more.
bit more.
That's
That
good.
happens.
That sucked.
Today,
Oh, I bet.
keep the,
That I
It's
I knew
out
it.
there.
I said I knew it. I can feel it.
That's okay.
It's cool.
Here,
No,
I-
no.
We'll
I
get it.
can-
We'll get it numbed up for
I
you.
can draw it up. Just bring it to me and I'll
Oh,
use these.
well, I get it for you.
Because this is sterile.
Gross.
So can you feel this?
Yeah. It feels like if you had a bunch of little needles pushing into my skin. It's not just pressure. I can like
Yep.
feel a little bit of.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay.
We'll get you. We just need a little bit more.
All right. I'll trust you. I just don't. At the end of the day, I don't like not being in control.
Sure.
You know, that's really all it is.
If you need your 25, that one. You got it. Yeah, you
Yeah,
got
there's
one. The
some.
yellow. I don't want to use yellow. It'll reach.
Long enough.
Sometimes you don't get volar enough, so you got to get all the way across the volar hole.
Don't look, buddy.
All
Don't
right.
look.
This one isn't going
Another
to be as
pinch,
bad just
okay?
because of the
I got you.
It's
the
already
numbing
gone
medicine you've
through.
already had.
Sure.
Yep, right there. A little bit deeper. There we go.
The Hulk Hogan theme song just popped into my head.
I was wearing a Macho Man shirt the other day at work.
Macho Man. Years and years ago, this was probably 91, 92. I was down in Massillon, living in Massillon with my ex-wife.
We were all the way across.
Yeah.
And
Let's see it.
he came to the food for lessons. She
Dump
worked
some
at the
across the door, some of
Slim Jims. It was great.
Yep, right across the top. Big wheel. Yep. That help with that pain?
Yes, thank you very much.
Good. Feeling a lot number now?
Very numb now.
Perfect.
That's exactly what I'm
Give it
looking
another
for.
test. You can dab it off, try to see where we were before.
Yeah, we're cool. Much better.
Good deal.
Much better.
All right.
Shouldn't watch.
Feel that?
No.
Yeah, you don't have to watch.
All right. Yeah.
I moved because I was watching you do that, not because.
Yep.
I did feel that. Yeah, I do feel that.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm cool though. Go ahead.
We
You're
just
gonna
gotta-
feel a little
I'm
bit
cool.
of it.
I'm cool.
There we go. Grab your hips, pull it out.
Yep. When did you get bit?
Yesterday afternoon.
Oh, jeez.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes you
Yeah,
take your
just
scissors, your knife.
I am a real American. That was the Hulk Hogan song.
America, fuck yeah.
That was great.
You could use a tourniquet if you wanted to.
Hmm. I think that any time that they do surgeries or cut you open, that you should be able to just go to sleep.
Yeah.
Just put me to sleep for it.
You would hold my hand, buddy?
Mm.
Doing okay?
Yeah, it's biting a little bit, but I'm cool. I'll get through it.
Stretch it. Lift up your finger.
Mm.
Doing okay?
Yeah.
Yep.
I don't know if that's expanded.
It's not gonna expand any further.
I don't think so.
We're gonna have to get all the way back into that joint. Or next, not into the joint. You know what I meant?
You're right.
I feel so bad for you, buddy.
I'm cool. I'm honestly just more worried about not being able to work than anything.
What do you do for work?
I do tree removal in the daytime and I bartend in the evening. I'll still be able to bartend, I'm sure. That shouldn't be an issue. I just have to go light duty at the other job.
Yep.
You hear that, Matt? Light duty.
Doing all right?
Yeah, cool.
Okay.
Alright, good. I think we're gonna have to open up some of them so you can. There's not much.
Let's see your scissors will go with this. Okay. You can just set your hand down flat for me. Extend your fingers down. There we go. Okay.
Don't look for me. No, no, no.
She said, no, 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 don't do it.
I'm gonna try to get the second set of cultures of, what do you call it? A butterfly. Come on.
Is there an ice cream cone after this?
Yeah.
I think so.
You don't have to not use this arm for, the blood culture. There's those two tries over here, even though this one's access, you can try and get it, I was lying, and you can try to get blood culture over here, Shannon. We're probably actually gonna catch more of that period, it's right above it.
Doing okay?
But yeah, I would, if you want to, I don't mind.
Yeah. Mostly psychological for me more than anything. Not so much about pain and whatnot. When I got that surgery on my left hand, they were, people always talk crazy when they're getting put to sleep and stuff. They would put me to sleep, but I guess I popped up out of the bed and started trying to get out of the hospital and all that stuff. I was like, man, what's that performance back then?
Oh my.
So last time I had to go get my tooth worked on, I took Danny Dover's bike with me. I was like, bro, I started freaking out when they put me to sleep, man. You gotta put me down.
Keep your hands straight. There we go.
I can nose curling up there.
It's all right.
So yeah, if you want the second set of cultures, that'd be killer.
I'm really glad we ate before we came in here.
Oh, yeah.
That would have been stupid. Just for real in my mind, I was thinking we would come do this and then go get lunch.
he's gonna get used.